Hey everyone, welcome back to Bike Max, where we dive deep into the world of two wheels, speed, and adrenaline. If you're a fan of motorcycles, especially those that push the limits, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Now, let's get into today's video. The legend is back. Kawasaki has done what many thought was impossible. They've resurrected one of the most iconic dirt bikes of all time and given it a Supermoto twist. Say hello to the 2025 Kawasaki KX500 SM, a beast that's ready to take the streets and tracks by storm. Let's break down what makes the 2025 Kawasaki KX500 SM one of the most exciting motorcycles to drop this year. We'll be covering the engine, chassis, suspension, electronics, design, and of course, what this means for Supermoto fans around the world. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. Kawasaki has stayed true to the KX500's legacy by keeping the heart of the bike a two-stroke power plant. The new 500 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine is a modernized version of the original, featuring a refined power valve system, electronic fuel injection, and optimized port timing to deliver that signature hit of power while keeping things more manageable than its wild predecessors. The biggest change? Fuel injection. Unlike the old carbureted KX500S, this model comes with an advanced EFI system that ensures smoother power delivery, better fuel efficiency, and more reliability. This means you get that instant two-stroke snap, but with a level of precision never seen before on a KX500. Supermoto bikes need a perfect blend of agility and stability, and Kawasaki has delivered on both fronts. The new aluminum frame is based on the KX450 chassis, but has been reinforced and redesigned to handle the brutal power of a 500 cubic centimeters two-stroke. The suspension setup is top-tier, featuring show of $49 million forks up front with full adjustability and a high-performance rear shock tuned specifically for Supermoto-style riding. This means whether you're hitting jumps, carving tight corners, or sliding into turns, the KX500 SM is going to respond with razor-sharp precision. A bike with this level of power needs serious stopping capabilities, and Kawasaki has delivered. The KX500 SM is equipped with Brembo radial-mounted calipers gripping onto a 320mm front disc and a 240mm rear disc. This setup ensures you get maximum stopping power with precise feel, whether you're trail braking into a hairpin turn or locking up the rear for a stylish Supermoto slide. What it doesn't have: ride-by-wire. Kawasaki has stuck with a traditional throttle cable setup to preserve that instant mechanical throttle feel that two-stroke purists love. The bodywork is sharp and aggressive, featuring slim plastics that expose just enough of the frame and engine to give it that raw mechanical look. Kawasaki's signature lime green dominates the color scheme, with bold white and black graphics paying homage to the KX500S of the past. This isn't a bike for beginners. The KX500 SM is built for experienced riders who want an unfiltered, high-adrenaline experience. If you love Supermoto riding, want a bike that makes every ride feel like a stunt show, and aren't afraid of a little two-stroke madness, this is your dream machine. So what's the damage? Kawasaki has priced the KX500 SM at around $12,999, putting it in the same range as high-performance Supermoto bikes like the KTM 690 SMC-R and Husqvarna 701 Supermoto. But unlike those bikes, this one offers a two-stroke experience that simply can't be replicated. Availability is expected to be limited, with Kawasaki producing a set number of units each year. If you want one, you'll need to act fast because these are going to sell out quickly. And that's a wrap on the 2025 Kawasaki KX500 SM. This is a bike that brings back the raw, unfiltered riding experience we've been missing, and we couldn't be more excited about it. What do you think? Would you ride the new KX500 SM? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. We've got plenty more motorcycle content coming your way, so stay tuned. Ride safe, stay fast, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.